Most people think credit cards are about borrowing money.
They're not. They're about understanding a financial system.
Designed to profit from your mistakes.
This video is for educational purposes only.
Credit cards. Everything you need to know in 2026. Credit travel rewards to cashback. Each card tells a story of opportunity. Discover the top rewards and benefits that fit your lifestyle. Whether you seek travel perks, everyday cashback, or no annual fees, the right card can maximize every dollar you spend. Track your points across the globe, from flights to luxury stays. Unlock exclusive hotel benefits with every stay. From priority boarding to baggage perks, your card makes travel seamless. Enjoy unlimited access to over 1,000 lounges worldwide. Maximize every purchase with points that grow faster than ever. Your card works seamlessly in over 120 markets worldwide. Every journey is rewarded wherever you go. Monitor rewards and redeem effortlessly from your phone. Navigate your rewards like a pro. Your travel points take flight, literally. Every trip is planned with the perks you deserve. Smooth check-ins and faster boarding await. Enjoy complimentary room upgrades with select hotels. Relax, refresh, and recharge between flights. Your personal travel concierge is just a call away.
Most people never learn how credit cards really work. Subscribe, Scrum. You want to stay ahead.
Plan, book, and enjoy every journey with confidence. Watch your points grow with every purchase. Redeem points for unforgettable stays. Upgrade your travel experience seamlessly. From flights to hotels, every benefit is within reach. Earn cash back every time you shop for groceries. Save at the pump with automatic cashback rewards. Enjoy dining rewards wherever you eat. Every purchase earns points that matter. Watch your savings grow effortlessly. Your cashback automatically adds up in your account. Track your rewards with every purchase. From everyday essentials to special treats, earn as you spend. Every swipe brings more value to your wallet. Online purchases earn cash back instantly. Fuel your everyday routine with rewards. Maximize cash back on essential purchases. Dine out smartly. Your card rewards every meal. See your cashback accumulate in real time. Every transaction contributes to your growing rewards. Seamlessly add cash back to your wallet. Track each purchase, track every reward. Rewards follow your spending habits wherever you go. Instant notifications show each earning in motion. From groceries to dining, every purchase gives back more. Save every year with no annual fees to worry about.
Balance cost and reward. The value is clear.
What you pay is nothing, yet you gain everything.
Compare the savings. The card works for you. Over a year, your rewards can far exceed the cost. Smart spending starts with the right card. No hidden charges, just pure value. Even the feel of the card reminds you of quality and power. Even every swipe maximizes rewards without cost. Visualize your gains. The benefits outweigh the fees. The right card tips the scale in your favor. See rewards accumulate in real time. See every month, enjoy benefits without paying fees. Transparency matters. What you see is what you get. Choose the right card that fits your lifestyle. Each perk enhances your everyday spending. From groceries to flights, the rewards are yours. No annual fee, no surprises, just value. Even the metal tells a story of premium design. Every swipe gives back. It's simple, effective, and rewarding. You're spending smarter, more rewarding, cost-free. For those who demand the best, luxury starts here. Every detail reflects prestige and craftsmanship. Shimmering metal, a symbol of elite access. Your personal concierge is available 24/7, anywhere you go. Exclusive lounges across the world await your arrival. Enjoy complimentary upgrades at select hotels globally.
Travel in ultimate style and comfort. Dine at premium restaurants with exclusive perks. Access elite events reserved for cardholders. Luxury isn't just benefits, it's an experience. Starting your first card? Let's make it simple. Step-by-step guidance for beginners. See how points accumulate with everyday spending. Track expenses, monitor rewards, and plan smarter. Essential benefits explained in an easy, visual way. Every swipe builds your rewards effortlessly. Learn how to maximize rewards from day one. Follow this simple checklist to start right. Rewards should be simple, fun, and easy to track. Even the design inspires confidence for first-time users. Travel abroad without worrying about foreign transaction fees. Pay seamlessly, no matter the currency. Your card works wherever you land. Make purchases globally, effortlessly, and securely. Book stays abroad with zero extra fees. Transparent conversions. Know exactly what you pay. One card, countless destinations. Your rewards and cashback work internationally too.
Fly and spend confidently with no surprises.
Digital payments abroad are simple, safe, and fee-free.
Your card adapts to the world's finest destinations. From payments to perks, travel without limits.
Spend abroad smarter, easier, and fee-free. Pay down debt efficiently with balance transfer options.
Lower APR means more savings every month.
Plan your payments and watch interest shrink.
Smart use turns debt into opportunity.
Time your transfers for maximum benefit.
Reduce interest, save money, gain control. Empower your busyness with premium corporate benefits. Manage expenses and cash flow seamlessly. Rewards for your team, streamlined and efficient. Track spending and optimize your business rewards. Everything your business needs in a single card. For big spenders, enjoy high credit limits and flexible options. Make large purchases without hesitation.
Plan and manage spending intelligently.
Adjust your spending without limits. Freedom to spend, backed by power and trust.
Maximize loyalty with airline co-branded cards. Exclusive perks at your favorite hotel chains.
Earn points with every purchase from select partners. Boost rewards with co-branded partnerships.
Explore our other guides. Unlock every credit card advantage. This video is for educational purposes only. Always verify financial details before making decisions.